Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. We are group 3, and this is our report. Our topic is the security survey and inspection. Sige, magbanwa. Security survey and inspection. A security survey is a crucial process that identifies vulnerabilities, assesses risk, ensures compliance, and improves an organization's overall security posture by proactively addressing weakness and preventing incidents. It also helps in effective resource allocation, raises security awareness. So, ang security surveys security is a comprehensive evaluation of an organization's security system. It identifies vulnerabilities, assesses risk, ensures, and to improve the organization's security posture. To identify and measure vulnerabilities, a facility or asset to find opportunities that threats could exploit. To assess how well security system staff protected company assets. Sige, magbanwa. The purpose of a security survey is to identify and measure that vulnerabilities to the facility or to specific assets by determine what opportunities exist to exploit current security policies and procedure, physical security equipment, and security personnel.
Dili man niya.
Yes. Ay, nag-report ka, no? Sorry, sir.
Sige, magbanwa.
Yes. Okay.
The value of a security professional. A security professional brings significant value to an organization by serving a key partner in risk information management and a guardian of assets, people, and information. Their expertise goes beyond simply reacting to incidents. They are crucial in developing and implementing proactive strategies that deter threats and build a resilient security culture. So, the value of a security professional is a security professional are key partners in risk management. They go beyond responding to incidents. They develop proactive strategies to prevent them. Their work helps to build a resilient security culture that protects people, assets, and information. Sige, magbanwa. Importance of security survey. Sige. Importance of security survey. The importance of security survey extends to optimizing resource allocation and budgeting. Security can be a significant expense, and without a clear understanding of what is needed, companies risk wasting money or on ineffective measures. That detailed report from a security survey justifies security spending by correlating costs with tangible risk reduction. So, importance of security survey is surveying to extend optimizing the allocation budget of a security significant expense, and without a clear understanding of what is needed to their companies wasting money on effective measures. Sige, next. Okay. If there is no security plan, a security survey will be useful in determine the need for it, as well as determine the security measures that should be included in the plan A. A comprehensive survey of the facility, entire operations and procedures will enable the organization decision makers to identify critical security factors in the facility. Provides decision maker with a clear data to justify a security spending. If no security plan exists, the survey help create one by identifying what needed to protect the organization. Sige, next.
Di ko natulog siya.
Security inspection. So, security inspection. Security inspection is a tool to determine the possible risk of company assets. This true assessment of what is happening from a security point of view ensures that risks that are recognized and cost-effective countermeasures are in place. So security inspection is a more specific and regular process than a survey. It focuses on checking the actual implementation of security measures, ensuring policies, procedures, and equipment are working as intended. A tool used to detect possible risks in a facility to prevent loss or damage. It involves on-site observation and evaluation. Okay, next. Purpose of security inspection. 1. Determine compliance of security policies. 2. To detect weakness in the existing security measures. To assess assets and the probability of risk or the likelihood that loss will take place. So number 1 is to check compliance with security policies. So number 2 is to detect weakness in existing security measure. So naga-detect ni siya og mga weak nga mga security inspection sa ilang organization. Number 3, to assess assets, the probability or likelihood of risk or loss. Sige, next. Cute. Phases of security inspection. 1. Detection of company policy violation. So, detecting policy violation, dinadetect niya ang mga violation sa ilang company with their policies. 2. Detection of possible defects in protective devices and other security aids. So, detecting defects in protective devices or security alarms. Number 3, detection of the condition of properties being protected. Checking the condition of properties being protected. Detection of security hazard. Detecting security hazard that could lead to incidents. Bernat.
Boss Buddy. Importance of security inspection. I can help determine of the effectiveness of each appraisal. So it can define weakness is security countermeasures. 3. I can prevent possible loss ang company. Ang number 1 kay dali ra ma-determine og asa dapit ang kailangan pa improve or help. Ang 2 I can define weakness in security kay dire pod ma-identify ang weakness sa usa ka security. Nya ang 3 I can prevent possible loss of company. Ang itad ko also makatabang nga ma-prevent dayon ang mga butang na mawala sa company. Boss Buddy. Step in security inspection. Preparation, review the management policy, review the loss appraisal, report use equipment need in the activity. 1 kay prepare og review management. Kailangan i-check ang asa ang mga wala nangawala og mga gamit og nawala og mga gamit og equipment for this activity. Number 2 kay plan routine, identify priority areas, identify the sequence. Magplano og asa dapit na priority areas na kailangan tabangan. Abos ba day? Safety inspection. Safety is generally defined as the state of being created that adverse effects will not be caused by some agent under defined condition. It means freedom from danger, risk or injury. It all involves measure people, procedures or equip used to prevent or detect an abnormal condition that can endanger people, property or enterprise. This abnormal condition include accident caused by human carelessness, identification, lack of training, or the undecisional events. Ang safety proseso sa pag-epekto proseso sa pagsusi aron makita kung aduna kay bay apekto or peligro sa lugar sa trabaho sama sa mga gamit, kahayag og ventilasyon. Paglikay sa disgrasya or pagpanlipod sa mga trabahante. Boss ba day? Purpose of safety inspection. Inspection, identification of defects such as materials, lighting and voltation. To detection of standard, substandard conditions such as poor housekeeping, poor ventilation, poor lighting, noise, poor maintenance, and the poor training workers. Ang purpose boss ba day? Phase of safety inspection. Detection of what may be called abuse hazard, actual unsafety condition created either by action of the people, tripping hazard, or physical deterioration. To kay detection of condition which of time self might not be direct cause of ascendant but will be contribution focus factors. Detection of condition wherein involves performance in defeating from the standard practice or established policy, which is time selves are wrong and unself. Detection of employed performance which is by time self are not hazardous but can create hazard either directly document in corner or in contributory manner. Ang phase of inspection di ay kay naglakip sa pag-ila sa mga peligro, dili maayo ang kondisyon og sayop sa nga buhat sa mga empleyado. Ano to? Paubos ba day? Importance of inspection. 1. Determine effect methods of hazard appraisal. 2. Incorrect deficiencies to bring both safety and operation to minimum accept standard. 3. It is an Include medium to determine potential accident sources. 4 kay it recognize defects for future necessary corrective action. 5 it demonstrates management sensitivity regarding accident prevention. 6 it increases efficiency and promotes better relationship with employees. 7 it cultivates goodwill and moral value. 8 it determines the required emphasis of operation. Ang importance of safety inspection important kay kini kay makatabang sa pagpaayo sa mga kaluwasan, paglikay sa accident o pagpasugunda sa maayong relasyon sa mga empleyado. Ang mga step ini ay magpa-plano, pag-review, pagtuo, pag-outline sa mga kinahanglan. Baba ba di? Step and safety inspection. 1. Preparation. A. Plan. B. Review. C. Study. D. Outline. Equip. A. Hard hat. Pencil. B. Pencil, ball pen. C. Kay goggles, etc. 3. Kay plan routine. A. I have defined object. B. Follow the determined inspection. 4. Inspection. Bit pattern. A. General condition, lighting, work outline, belts, flashlight, material, etc. B. Specific hazard. C. Work practice. D. How work is done to tools, machine, equipment. Nara ano ang kwan sa step in safety inspection. Ang step 1 kaysa A plan. Magplano man jud mo. B kay mag-review. C kay study. Naradra ang kwan. Baba ba di? Security survey format. A. Introduction. 1. Authority for the survey. 2. Kay date and hours. Mao din ang security survey format. Mara, my name is Mara to, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sige na, wade. Pwede ma-zoom ni mo, wade. Dito, sa pinakawa na, wade. Dito sa C. Na. Kato yang unsa ganina no, katong yang mao ni ang unsa kanang mga case diri sila ga-guide. Safety, security, perimeter barrier, sustain a situation less than security definition. Note kani siya kay kaning physical security mao ni siya ang section na nag detail ng mga physical measure para protektahan yung installation, perimeter barrier, installation. Dito ilista yung mga correct statement ng barrier around the property. This includes patients, wall, gates, or unsa pa na security difference note or mga nakitang problema. Yang recommendation pod kay for each problem you suggest corresponding security measure. Ano yung dapat gawin para ma-improve yung perimeter security? For example, repair the friends, add the more barrier wire, bob wire, install a better lightning. Sa 2, guard force and guard system installation. Describe how guards are deployed, their training, equipment, and produce. Yang recommendation pod kay suggest improvement sa guard force, mas maraming guard, better training, communication, equipment, or etc. Number 3, personal number 3 ba di? Personal identification and movement control. Yang situation board, paano in-control yung pagpasok at paglabas ng mga tao. Ang yun sa daw mga pag-control. Di paano ID, di pa logbook, di security check. Ang recommendation board, improve daw ang ID system and visitor control or etc. Number 4, protecting lightning situation. How well lit is the area? Are they in a dark spot? Recommendation, dagdagan ang ilaw, change ang brighter bulbs or etc. Number 5, alarm and communication system. Yang situation, anong alarm ang communication system ang meron? For example, blurred alarm, fire alarm, reduced alarm, intercoms. Yang recommendation, improve alarm coverage, update communication, equipment, or etc. Number 6 ba rin? Restricted area. Yang situation, anong areas ang restricted? Paano sila kinokontrol? Ang recommendation na improve access control and restricted areas. Number 7, storage security. Yang situation, paano sinisecure yung mga storage area. Yung recommendation, improve lock and cameras or etc. Or number 8, utilize yan. Utilities situation. How are utilities for example, water, electricity, gas, and secured? Ang recommendation, secured utility access per points. Number 9, emergency plan situation. May emergency plan ba? Sino ang responsible? Recommendation, create, update emergency plan and conduct drill. Di na ta personal security. Ito ang personal security. Ito ang nagpo-focus naman sa mga security ng mga tao. Number 1, data concerning key personnel. Kaning data concerning key personnel, siya ang collecting information about key employees. Number 2, clearance program. Ang situation niya, may background check ba? Basically, for each item under physical security, your sa baba pa daw ba de? 3. security education program. Ang 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 situation na kay may training ba ang mga empleyado about security awareness? What does the training cover? Gaano katagal? And recommendation na suggest ay success improvement to the security training program. Mas gawing frequent at mas comprehensive or etc. Nga sa number 4 ta, moral of employees situation. How's the moral of the employees is the there of positive work employment. Ang recommendation can suggest way the good employees moral. This can indirectly improve security by making them more invested in the company's well-being. Number 5, absences rate and labor turnover. Ang situation niya, mataas ba ang absences, pagbilan ng mga trabaho at mga turnover, pag-alis ng mga employees. This can be indicator to underlying problem that can affect security. Ang recommendation niya kay address the root cause of absences and turnover. This might involve improving working condition, pay or benefits. Sa inata, document and information security. This section is all about security classified or sensitive document. Number 1, rule of regulation to safeguard classified matter. Yang situation, what are the existing rule in regulation for the handling classified document? Yang recommendations, I suggest improvement to these rules and regulations. Classified system, paano ito ini-classify ang mga document? Receiving system, paano ini-require paano ini-reserve at ini-record ng mga document is storage clarified matters. Saan at paano ini-restore ang mga classified or document? Reproduction system, paano ang pag-reproduce or copying the ng document? Destruction system, paano dinidestroy ang mga document na hindi na kailangan? Repairing and making system, preparation and marking system, paano inihanda at minamarkahan ang mga classified document. Yeah. Next, FWD. Other installations and recommendation. Situation, any other security related issues and concern na hindi na nag-cover ang mga naunang section. Recommendation, suggest solutions to address this other situation. G. Enclosure in exhibit. This section is for listening and exporting document, maps, photos, or other materials that are attached. The survey report state the number and title of the enclosure exhibit. Ilagay ang mga number at title sa ng
Wala si Danoy.
nawala ang signal oy. Sa hearing na tas. Sorry kayo, nawala ang signal.
Wala ba?
Unsa daw ba di sa ipa-zoom daw ba di gamay. Karang sa ito permero. Hearing kabalo na magyud tanaw. Ang kaning hearing mao ni ang unsa kanang dire gabi sa mga pagsulat sa mga kanang mga kaso or kanang asa ka nagpadala to kabalo na mga tanong kaning to kinsa ang naghatag sa report nya from kinsa ang gitagaan ay kinsaan to kinsay kinsa ang gitagaan nya ang from sino ang nagpadala ng report subject kay ansa name of installation expected pangalan ng lugar na ini-inspect nya inata introduction this section provide the background information about inspection. Number 1, authority. Ano ang base sa mga legal reason ba't ginagawa ang inspection? Number 2, date and hours conducted. Kailangan at anong oras ginagawa ang inspection? Number 3, date and last inspection. Kailangan ang huling inspection. Number 4, and identify of representative accompanying inspection team. Sino ang sumasama sa inspection team? B daw ba? B daw ba? results of inspection. This is where to detail what you found during the inspection. Number 1, listing and facilities inspection. Listahan ng mga lugar na in-inspect. Number 2, remark on effectiveness and extent of compliance with established security measures. Paano ka ineffective ng ang security measure? Sumusunod ba sila sa mga standards? Number 3, statement actions taken or recommendation made during previous survey or inspection. Ano ang ginagawa ng mga recommendation from the previous inspection? May implement ba? C, recommendation. Provide recommendation. This section provides recommendation for improvement. Positive and conscious recommendation to eliminate hazard and correct deficiencies observed during the inspection. Magbigay ng specific at clear na recommendations para correct ang mga nakikitang problema during inspection. Mana ba day? Next slide na ba day? A, Industrial Security Survey Checklist data. A, General Environment Operation refers to the board external factor and activities that influence an organization overall environment but are not directly controlled by the organization. This operation involve understanding and managing the macro and environmental factors that impact strategy planning, decision making, and long-term success. Ang General Improvement Organization, ito yung mga malawak na bigay sa labas na naka-apekto sa isang company pero hindi nila kontrolado. This operation involve understanding and perimeter security refers to the system, technology, and physical use to protect the outer boundary of the physical and digital environment. This goal is to detect, deter, and prevent unauthorized access before the threat reaches core access. Ito yung mga sistema na paraan para protektahan yung kinalabasan ng boundary ng isang lugar o physical man or digital. Next slide ba de? Exterior security involves the protecting of the outer areas of a property, facility, or site. It focuses on securing the outside perimeter and surroundings before an intruder or threat reaches the building or internal access. Ito yung nagproprotekta sa mga panlabas na area ng isang property o facility o site. D. Security lightning. It is type of lightning used to deter intruders, increase visibility and enhance safety around buildings, facilities, or outdoor areas. It is an essential part of physical security system. Kaning security lightning, ito yung mga ilaw na ginagamit para matakot yung mga magnanakaw at mas makita yung paligid at para mas safe ang building o facilities or outdoor areas. Sige ba day? Ano sabi day? Ganang E. Building security refers to the measures and system used to protect a physical structure, its occupant, and access form unauthorized access, threat, vandalism, and other threats. Kaning building security, ito yung mga paraan at sistema para protektahan yung building, yung mga tao sa loob, at yung mga access ay mga asset laban sa mga hindi otorisadong tao. Ang pagnanakaw, vandalism, at iba pang threats. Lock and key control refers to the system used to manage physical key to lock in a building or facility to ensure security, limit access, and maintain accountability. Ito yung sistema para i-manage ang mga physical key or locks sa isang building o facility para masigurado ang seguridad, limitan ang access at malaman kung sino ang responsible. Sige ba de? Isa daw ba de? Next slide daw ba de? Employee and visitors control refers to the police procedure and system used to manage, monitor, and movement of staff and visitors with facility and maintain safety, security, and accountability. Ito yung mga rules, procedure, at sistema na ginagamit para i-manage at bantayan yung galaw ng mga empleyado at bisita sa loob ng facility. H. Security Guard Force. It is a group of personnel employed by an organization or an individual to provide rest-based security services. Their main purpose is to protect people, property, and assets from various threats like crime, damage, and unauthorized access. Ito yung grupo ng mga security personnel na nagtatrabaho para isang company o individual para magbigay ng ng security services na naka-base sa risk. Unsa ba di? Ay ba di? Next ba di? Alarm system is an integrated network or device designed to detect and alert people to unauthorized entry or other emergencies such as fire and gas leaks. These systems are a fundamental security measure for homes, business, and other properties. Ito yung integrated network ng mga DSTAR na ginagamit para makita ang alertuhanan yung mga tao kung may hindi otorisadong pumasok o kung may iba pang emergencies tulad ng sunog at gas leak. G. Surveillance system or CCTV. Also known to video surveillance is a security system that use video cameras to transmit a signal in limited seat of monitor. Unlike broadcast television and signal is not openly transmitted to the public. The primary purpose of CCTV is to deter crime, monitor activities, and provide recorded footage and investigation. Ang surveillance system, kilala rin bilang video surveillance, ito yung security system na gumagamit ng video cameras para magdala ng signal sa isang limited set ng monitor. Sige ba rin? Next ba rin sa key ba rin? Communication. It is structured tool used to assess and audit the security of the company's industrial control system or ICS communication. It's key part of a border security audit for an industrial or critical infrastructure environment. The purpose of such checklist is to systematically identify potential vulnerabilities and weakness in the way device system and network communication within the industrial environment. Ito yung isang structured na tool na ginagamit para i-access at i-audit ang security communication ng industrial control system or ICS ng isang company. Key part ito ng mas malawak na security audit para sa industrial or critical infrastructure environment. L. Fire and emergency planning. It is a systematic process to prepare for the response to fire and other emergencies, aiming to prevent loss of life and minimize damage to property. It's safety management for any organization, for small business, or a large corporation or public installation. Fire emergency planning. Ito ay isang systematic process para maghanda at responde sa sunog at iba pang emergency. Ang goal is para maiwasan ang pagkawala ng buhay at mabawasan ang damage sa property. Mahalagang part ito ng safe management para sa kahit anong organization, mula sa maliit na business hanggang sa malaking corporation o public installations. Guys.
Saan sunod?
Next daw.